Let's talk smashed avocado. It's one of those, I guess, favorites that we go out to eat at a cafe. You know, it's beautiful, tangy, creamy. It's served with a variety of things. Well, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to knock one up, but using a beautiful crispy basturma, thanks to Fettayleh. This is one of my absolute favorite deli meats to eat and work with. I just love it. The flavors, the spices, the texture, and you can use it in a variety of ways. And you know what? I'm showcasing today something that you can knock up within about 5 minutes for suhoor, so that you're not standing there when you're half asleep trying to, figure out what to eat. It's there, it's ready, you can make it up in advance, and you're good to go. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna have a few things on the go at the moment. Sorry, much to Mikhail's dismay, because I have lots of things that make noises. I'm gonna turn on my sandwich press, get that preheated. I'm also going to start on, before I do the basturma, I'm going to start on the avocado. I've got my bowl here and I'm just going to slice my avocado in half. I just want to remove all that flesh because we're going to just mash it with a fork. Nice, quick and easy. And look at that, beautiful avocado. Now these are shepherd avocados that I'm using at the moment because that's what's in season. Well, if you're making this for yourself, you can still use the full avo, make it up, because I'm going to be adding lemon juice to this. So the lemon juice will prevent it from going brown and oxidizing. Now what the lemon juice also does, it adds tanginess to your avocado. Our toaster is ready. And so now I'm just going to get my piece of sourdough, a slice of sourdough, and throw that straight in. And while that's happening, we're gonna mash the avo, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm adding a little bit of sumac as well to the avocado, just to give it that extra peppery tanginess that sumac gives. Give that a good mix. Our avocado is ready. We'll put that aside and we can move on now to getting our basturma nice and crispy. So in a non-stick pan, I'm going to heat up that pan and then add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Throw my basturma in, maybe a couple of minutes on each side until nice golden crispy, and then I'm going to place them on my plate that's been lined with a paper towel. I've got my piece of toast. I'm gonna grab a bit of the sumac, go around my plate like that. I'm just going to add a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil onto my toast. And now we can layer her up. So a generous, this is a big slice of toast, so a generous portion of the avocado. Now we're gonna grab a little bit of rocket. Going to grab some of the feta cheese. I've got some different cherry tomatoes, different colors. I'm gonna just, cut a few, just sliced in half. Just place them onto my toast. I love pomegranate molasses, but you know what? You've got the saltiness of the feta, we've got the salt as well, and the lemon that we put in the avocado, and I think this will just complement it so well. I'm just gonna drizzle that around the plate, and you know what? While you're cutting into it, you can dip that in, and it just adds a little zing. We're gonna finish off with a scattering of pomegranate seeds. And not to forget, and saving the best till last, is our crispy basturma. And this has to sit right on top because it is the star of the show. Crunch test. I hate crunching on screen, but crunch. You know what? Basturma chips is next. I've just created something new. Smashed avocado, crispy basturma on toast. Guys, took me 5 minutes to make. It'll take you even less because you're not on camera. Try it, it's yum.